Hello and welcome to this new section on performance management and the first lecture of that in this course, AI for HR Excellence. So, in this section, we will help you learn how to use AI for performance management, excellence in performance management. And we will begin by taking a look at the continuous feedback systems and see how AI enables real time feedback instead of the outdated annual reviews. So, let's take a look at that. So, how do you think? How do you think AI enables real-time feedback instead of outdated annual reviews? How does it manage this part of the performance? Any thoughts on that? See, AI enables the real-time feedback by continuously analyzing few things like workplace interaction, performance data, and communication patterns to deliver, you know, timely, relevant, and objective insights, moving beyond outdated annual performance reviews. So that's a snapshot of how AI enables the real-time feedback instead of outdated annual reviews. Let us take a look at in detail how it works. So it starts by continuous listening and monitoring. Now AI systems monitor signals, such as check-ins and one-to-ones, emails, Slack, and team messages, metadata only, no private content, and the goal progress in project management tools like Asana, Jira, etc., peer feedback and survey responses. And based on all that, AI recommends, identifies patterns of behavior, collaboration, delays, or disengagement. So that's how the continuous listening and monitoring happen about the employees in consultation and agreement with them. Then it does smart nudges and microfeedback. Now, AI tools prompt the managers and peers to give timely feedback on things like project completion, team milestones, missed deadlines, and behavioral observation. And a good example of that would be, after a presentation, the system might nudge a manager to provide quick feedback via Slack. So that will be how the smart nudges and micro feedbacks are provided. Then it does what is called sentiment and tone analysis. Now, AI analyzes the text-based communication basically to detect, you know, tone shifts, frustrations or disengagements, positive collaboration moments, and these insights, help leaders deliver feedback in context, not once in a year, right? So that's how this analysis of sentiment and tone allows the leaders to deliver contextual feedback continuously. Then it also the AI tools also do goal and performance tracking. You know, the real-time dashboards provide powered by AI track key performance indicators, OKRs, objective KPIs and results, and project milestones, learning progress, and this gives employees, the immediate visibility into how they are doing and where they can improve. So that's how AI system helps us track goals and performance on an ongoing basis, on a continuous basis. Then also it helps in bias reduction and objectivity. AI aggregates feedback from multiple sources, right? And that ensures more consistent and fair evaluations, less reliance on recency bias, and the data driven development suggestion. An example of that would be where AI might notice consistent peer praise on problem solving and suggest a skill badge or a stretch role for an employee. So that's how the objectivity and bias reduction happen. And it also makes personalized development suggestion based on the feedback trends. AI can recommend, training modules, peer coaching, and role adjustments. And tailored real-time support keeps employee growing continuously, not just once in a year. So all round development of the employee can take place with this continuous AI driven, AI supported feedback system. What are the tools that can enable real time feedback? We will take a greater look at them in the next lecture, but let's take a quick look at summary of what are the tools that can enable real time feedback. And these are the tools. You have Lattice that can do real time feedback, pulse surveys, AI powered insights. Then there is BetterWorks that does continuous performance tracking with nudges. Then there is Culture app that does feedback and analytics of engagement and sentiment AI. Then there is 15.5, which is that weekly checks in, which does weekly check-ins and AI coaching suggestions. And then there is Worktepicon that can do real-time employee voice and leadership nudges, right? So those are the various tools, and we will take a greater look at them as we go forward in the next lecture. So what is next? So we will take a look at these tools. These tools are the one that we talked about that can enable real-time feedback instead of outdated annual reviews, and we will take a look at them in detail. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on performance management in this course, AI for HR Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.